here's how to download and use Smallpdf Chrome extension. Let's get to it. So on smallpdf.com, you need to log into your account. After that, if you scroll down, you're going to find this banner, and on the right hand side, you'll see Get Free Extension. You can press on it, and it's going to take you over to the Chrome Web Store. On this page, on Smallpdf Chrome Web Store page, you can press on this Add to Chrome button on the right hand side. Once you do that, it's going to give you this pop-up. On it, you can press on this Add Extension button, and there you go. We have now added the extension, and it's on here on the top right of your Chrome web browser. If you want to pin it so that you can see it all the time, you need to press on this button, Extensions, and then scroll down, find your Smallpdf extension over here, and then press on this pin icon, which is going to pin it on top in this Extensions tab. Then you can always see it on your Extensions tab. You just need to press on it in order to view all the tools in it, select a file, and such. Now, if you try to open up a PDF on your Chrome web browser, you would not see those tools on the left-hand side. We should be able to see with the Smallpdf Chrome extension. And on the right-hand side, you should be able to see an AI chat. So you can chat with that AI, and you can ask questions for your PDF. But you do not see it over here. So I think the reason is you probably have not got your Chrome web browser updated. So you need to update your Chrome web browser, or you can go over to Edge browser, which also is based on Chromium. So you can go to it and install this Chrome extension, Smallpdf extension, and you should be able to see this AI chat on the right hand side and the Smallpdf tools on the left hand side. When you open a PDF, let's say you open up the AI chat, you can ask it questions. And it also gives you these follow-up questions, and you can choose from one of these. On the left-hand side, you can use one of these tools. So what it's going to do is going to take your PDF file, go over to the smallpdf.com and insert it there. So let's say I press on this edit text. It's going to take your PDF file here in Smallpdf, and you should be able to edit the document. That is this one. Double click and change text in it. You've got redact, signatures, etc. that you can add. And once you're done, you can press on finish on the top right, or you can click on download or save it to Dropbox, OneDrive, etc. If you still did not see this banner over here, on the top right, press on these three dots on your Chrome web browser, then hover on extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. On the top in search extensions and themes, you need to type in Smallpdf and then press on this first link. Then it will take you over to the same page that we went at start. And you can press on this Add to Chrome in order to install it to your Chrome extensions. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use Smallpdf Chrome extension. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know in the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Smallpdf related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.